Hello students, in today's lecture, we will learn about pointers. To use pointers, we must understand two operators. First one is ampersand. Second one is unary star, also known as asterisk. First one is ampersand. Unary operator ampersand returns address of a variable. For example, we have declared a variable x of type int. Ampersand x gives us address of variable x. Program 1. In the main function, we have declared a variable x of type int. Now, printf statement print address of x. We have used %p format specifier to print address of x. So our program ends here. Output of our program is address of variable x is printed in hexadecimal. 3 times f and 4 is printed. Second unary operator is star, also known as asterisk symbol. Unary star is used for two things. First is to declare a pointer variable. When a pointer variable is declared, there must be a star before its name. Program 2. In the main function, we have declared a variable y of type int. Y is initialized with value 5. We have declared a pointer variable ptr of type int, which can hold the address of an integer variable. Now the control comes to next statement. ptr equal to %y. So address of variable y is assigned in pointer ptr. Now printf statement print star ptr, which means value at address. As pointer variable ptr stores the address of y and value stored at address y is 5. So 5 is printed and our program ends here. Here is the output 5. Second is to access the value stored at the address. We use the unary operator star that returns the value of the variable located at the address specified by its operand. This is also known as dereferencing. Program 3. In the main function, we have declared a variable num of type int. Num is initialized with value 10. We have also declared a pointer variable int star ptr, which is used to hold the address of integer variable only. ptr is initialized with address of variable num. Now the control comes to printf statement. Printf statement print value of num is star ptr, which means value at address. As pointer variable ptr stores the address of num, so value stored at address num is printed. Now the control comes to next printf statement. Printf statement print address of num is ptr. ptr holds the address of variable num. So address of num is printed. Next statement is star ptr equal to 20. Star ptr means value stored at address. As ptr hold the address of num, so when we write star ptr equal to 20, it means change the value of num to 20. Now printf statement print after doing star ptr equal to 20, star ptr is 20 and our program ends here. Here is the output. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.